Stop scrolling for just 15 seconds, because what I'm about to share could change the way your body feels tomorrow morning. If you're over 60 and you've noticed that getting out of bed feels tougher than it used to, your knees creak, your back feels tight, and you walk those first few steps like you're walking on wooden legs, then this message is for you. Because the solution might not be another pill, stretch, or doctor visit. It could be as simple as what you drink before you turn out the lights tonight. For most Americans, nighttime is about shutting down, brushing your teeth, checking the locks, maybe scrolling the phone one last time. But inside your body, the night is actually repair time. Your joints, muscles, and connective tissues work overtime to rebuild after a long day of bending, lifting, climbing stairs, and just living life. The problem is, after 60, that repair process slows down. Inflammation sticks around longer. Circulation slows. Your body has the will to heal, but it's missing the raw materials. That's why these 5 bedtime drinks can be such a quiet miracle. They feed your joints and muscles the exact nutrients they crave while you sleep. No supplements, no expensive powders, just simple foods found in any American kitchen. Tonight, I'll walk you through the first one, explain why it works, and how to make it the right way. But before we dive in, let's paint a picture. Imagine it's morning. You swing your legs off the bed, and instead of that familiar jolt of stiffness, your knees bend easily. You stand up without grabbing the dresser for support. Your first steps feel steady, comfortable, even light. That's the feeling we're chasing here. A small nightly habit that helps your body wake up ready instead of rusty. Let's start with the most powerful and easiest to make warm turmeric milk with black pepper. You've probably heard of golden milk. It's been around for centuries, but Americans are only recently rediscovering it. The star is turmeric, the bright golden spice that gives curry its color. But turmeric isn't just flavor, it's chemistry. Inside each pinch of that powder lies a compound called curcumin, and curcumin is one of nature's strongest natural anti-inflammatories. It works in a similar way to the counter pain relievers by blocking certain enzymes that trigger swelling and stiffness. The difference: it does it gently, without stressing your stomach or kidneys. Here's why it matters so much after 60. As we age, low-grade inflammation becomes a constant background hum in the body. You might not even notice it. Just that your joints ache more on damp mornings, or that climbing stairs leaves your knees complaining. That's the kind of inflammation curcumin targets best. But there's a catch: curcumin doesn't absorb well on its own. That's where the pepper comes in. Black pepper contains piperin, a natural compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So when you combine the two, you unlock turmeric's full healing potential. Now let's make it the right way, the American kitchen version. Pour about a cup of milk into a small saucepan. It can be dairy or unsweetened almond milk if that's easier on your stomach. Warm it gently, don't boil it. While it's heating, stir in half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of ground black pepper, and if you like, a little cinnamon for flavor. As it warms, the color turns deep golden and the smell fills your kitchen, earthy, comforting, almost like a quiet signal that the day is done. Take it off the heat, pour it into your favorite mug, and add a teaspoon of raw honey if you want a touch of sweetness. Sip it slowly, about 30 minutes before bed. Here's what happens next. Within about an hour, your blood carries those curcumin compounds to your joints. They start calming the inflammatory response that's been building all day. At the same time, the warmth of the milk helps relax muscles and promotes melatonin release, which helps you fall asleep faster. You wake up with fewer aches not because you numbed the pain, but because your body finally had a peaceful night to repair itself. People who make this part of their nightly routine often notice a change within just a few nights. One gentleman from Ohio wrote that he'd been taking ibuprofen every morning for years, but after replacing his evening snack with this golden drink, he woke up one morning and realized he hadn't reached for the pill bottle. "It felt like my knees forgot to complain," he said. That's the kind of quiet success story you rarely hear about because it doesn't come in a fancy package. It comes from your spice rack. If you're worried about cholesterol or lactose, don't be. You can use oat milk, soy milk, or any plant-based option. The benefit comes from the turmeric, pepper, and gentle warmth, not the milk itself. What matters most is consistency. 1 cup a night, about the same time each evening, trains your body to expect recovery time. Your joints get used to that nightly rhythm. And here's a small tip that most people miss: sit down while you drink it. Take those 5 minutes away from the TV, away from your phone. Let your shoulders relax. The act of slowing down tells your nervous system it's safe to rest. That signal, combined with the anti-inflammatory nutrients, amplifies the benefit. The science of relaxation and healing go hand in hand. You might wonder, can something this simple really make a difference? The answer from both tradition and modern research is yes. American universities like UCLA and Johns Hopkins have published studies showing that turmeric, when taken consistently, reduces joint discomfort and improves mobility scores in older adults. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find studies. They're part of a growing recognition that food is medicine, especially when timed correctly. And that timing matters. Drinking anti-inflammatory compounds at night works better than in the morning, because nighttime is when the body releases more growth hormone and increases cellular repair. By giving your system the right nutrients before sleep, you're essentially restocking the repair shop before the workers arrive. That's why people notice their first big improvements in the morning. They fueled the healing cycle at the exact right hour. Now, maybe you're thinking, I'm not sure I'll remember to make that every night. Here's a trick: prepare the dry mix once a week. Combine 7 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 of cinnamon in a small jar. Keep it by the stove. Each night, scoop 1 teaspoon into your milk. No measuring, no fuss. Easy habits are the ones that last. As you finish your cup, you'll feel warmth spreading from your stomach through your chest and shoulders. That comfort isn't just psychological, it's circulation improving. Warmer blood flow carries oxygen and nutrients into joint tissue that doesn't get much movement while you sleep. Think of it like oiling the hinges before the door squeaks in the morning. You're giving your body a head start on flexibility. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, pay attention to the difference. Maybe your first step feels easier. Maybe your hands don't ache when you open a jar. That's your body telling you the process is working. One small cup, one small choice, multiplied night after night. That's how real change begins. And that's just the beginning. In the next part of your nighttime routine, we'll talk about another simple drink that helps lubricate the joints from the inside out. Something you've probably had in your kitchen your entire life, but never realized could make such a difference after 60. But before we move there, remember this: your body wants to heal. You just have to give it what it's been asking for. So tonight, when the house quiets down and you're ready to unwind, skip the cold water, skip the late night snack. Warm a cup of milk, stir in that golden spice, breathe deep, and toast to the small victories that start while you sleep. Because every strong morning begins the night before. Now that you know how 1 golden cup can ease stiffness, let's talk about another quiet ally for your joints: tart-cherry juice. Americans have loved cherries in pies and ice cream for generations, but very few realize that tart cherries, not the sweet dessert kind, contain natural compounds called anthocyanins. These are deep, red pigments that fight inflammation in the same biochemical pathway as many over-the-counter pain relievers. The University of Michigan once ran a study comparing tart-cherry extract to ibuprofen, and the results stunned the researchers. Inflammation markers dropped nearly as much with cherries as they did with medication. That's why a small glass of tart-cherry juice 30 to 60 minutes before bed can make a difference overnight. Not only do those antioxidants calm joint swelling, the juice also provides a natural source of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Better sleep means deeper repair, and deeper repair means you wake up with less stiffness. If you're worried about sugar, mix 3 ounces of 100% tart-cherry concentrate with 7 ounces of water and add a squeeze of lemon. It tastes bright, tangy, and refreshing, not syrupy sweet. Sip it slowly. You'll start to feel a gentle heaviness in your eyelids about 20 minutes later. That's your body's cue to wind down. Now, if you prefer something warm, the third drink might surprise you. It's ginger lemon tea with a drizzle of honey. Ginger has been part of American kitchens since colonial times, used for nausea, sore throats, and, yes, aching joints. Its active compound, gingerol, relaxes blood vessels and helps move stagnant fluid away from swollen tissues. Add a slice of fresh lemon for vitamin C, which your body uses to build collagen in cartilage, and a teaspoon of raw honey to soothe your throat and provide mild antibacterial protection. Here's the best part: ginger doesn't just work in the stomach, It influences the same inflammatory enzymes that turmeric does, so when you alternate the two drinks, golden milk one night, ginger, lemon tea the next, you create a gentle rotation that keeps inflammation from rebounding. To make it, grate a half-inch piece of fresh ginger or use a teaspoon of powder into a cup of water. Boil for 5 minutes, pour through a strainer, then add your lemon slice and honey once it's off the heat. Drink it warm, not scalding. As you swallow, you'll feel a faint burn in the throat. That's the ginger working its circulation magic. Imagine your evening. Maybe you've already had dinner. The kitchen lights are low, and you can hear the soft hum of the fridge. You pour that steaming cup, hold it with both hands, and breathe in the scent of citrus and spice. You're not just drinking tea, you're signaling to your body that the day is finished and healing can begin. By morning, the joints in your fingers may feel looser, your knees less puffy, your hands more willing to move. By now you've learned that what you drink before bed can decide how easily you move in the morning. We've covered turmeric milk and ginger tea. We've talked about tart-cherry juice. And now it's time for two more quiet heroes that American seniors have trusted for decades. Collagen cocoa and simple warm water with lemon and olive oil. Start with the cocoa. Real unsweetened cocoa powder is packed with flavonoids that relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Add a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen powder, plain, flavorless, nothing fancy, and a little milk or almond milk. Collagen gives your body the amino acids it needs to rebuild cartilage and ligaments. Think of it as giving your joints the raw material for smoother movement. Warm it gently, don't boil. A teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon adds comfort without over-sweetening. Many older Americans who replace their evening dessert with this joint repair cocoa notice that their fingers feel more flexible and that they sleep more soundly. The cocoa provides magnesium for muscle relaxation. The collagen goes to work while you rest. Then there's the simplest of all, warm water with lemon and a teaspoon of olive oil. It sounds strange until you try it. The warmth hydrates you, the lemon gives a small dose of vitamin C and potassium, and the olive oil supplies healthy fats that lubricate joints from the inside out. It's like oiling a rusty hinge. Drink it slowly, maybe 10 minutes before bed. The combination also helps digestion, so you're not waking up bloated or uncomfortable. Hydration matters more than most people realize. Joint cartilage is 70% water. Overnight dehydration is one reason older adults wake up stiff. 1 small cup of warm, slightly oily water before bed keeps that tissue supple. It's safe, inexpensive, and as American as the kitchen tap. Now picture the whole evening routine: lights dim, TV off, you've picked your drink of the night: turmeric milk, tart-cherry juice, ginger, lemon tea, collagen cocoa, or warm lemon water with olive oil. You sit quietly for 5 minutes, maybe whisper a small prayer or think of the good things that happened today. That calm, paired with gentle nourishment, is what helps your body do its best work while you sleep. After a week, you'll start noticing the little changes. First, less cracking in your knees when you stand, easier steps when you get out of bed, fewer groans when you reach for the coffee pot. After a month, those small changes turn into confidence. You move because you want to, not because you have to. You start planning walks again, you garden longer, you feel younger than your birth certificate says you are. That's the real goal. Not perfection, but progress you can feel every morning. So here's my challenge to you tonight. Pick one of these 5 drinks and make it. Commit to 7 nights in a row. Write down how you feel each morning. You'll be amazed how quickly your body responds when you treat it with the same care you've given everyone else your whole life. And when you start feeling that difference, come back here. Tell me in the comments which drink became your favorite, what changes you noticed, and what you want me to cover next. Every week on this channel, we dig into simple, pro-American habits that help you live stronger, longer, and more independent after 60. No hype, no expensive products, just the truth and the tools you already own. If this message helped you, give the video a thumbs up so more seniors can find it. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss next week's topic. It might be the one that helps your heart, your memory, or your sleep next. Remember, better mornings start the night before. So pour your cup, take that first warm sip, and let your body do what it's always wanted to do: heal, rest, and get ready for another strong day in America.